Alright everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for tomorrow. And to all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. And to all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video, and to stay tuned on in towards the second half of this video, guys. Yesterday's ticker symbol that we mentioned actually jumped up in just one day 8 to 10% from yesterday to today. When I mentioned it, you guys don't want to miss this. I've been telling you guys the money's at the second part of these videos, and Skillz at one point was one of those stocks way back here when it was pulling back, and it actually ran to $20, even pulled back again and hit $21, almost $22. So there's consistently opportunities like Skillz at that one point. We even did ChargePoint, Pinduoduo, and many others. And just like yesterday's ticker symbol that we mentioned, it's up 8% plus today. So stay tuned. The money's at the second half. I make these chart analysis out of gratitude and for investors that are looking for this information, and the subscribers, and for you guys, the viewers. Now, I'm also going to mention the ticker symbol I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. We got 15% plus at the high of the day, and then a second chance of 5 to 10%. If that's something that interests you and you want to know live updates on what stocks I'm watching daily, looking for opportunities of 5 to 10% on a regular day, 10 to 20% on a great day, and 20% plus, you're more than welcome to join us. The Discord link is down below in the description. But let's jump into this and we'll talk about the stock I mentioned this morning and the ticker symbol you won't want to miss, and you definitely want to add to your watch list moving forward. So SKLZ Stock, Skillz Inc., SKLZ has actually hit a low here of $12 in just several days, about 3 to 4 days. This stock has jumped another 30% plus opportunity, guys. Pretty impressive after hitting today's high at almost $17 at $16.81. We're going to talk about that in just a moment, but let's look here at our support, our resistance, and 50-day moving average. So the 50-day moving average is 1557. Anything below it is bearish, anything above it is bullish. Now our support here, which is the lowest point reached in the day, is 1608. We're currently sitting at 1627. If this breaks through 1608, I'd watch carefully how it reacts between the support and the 50-day moving average, if the bulls are trying to reappear and bring it back up, or if the bears are tearing this one down fairly fast. Keep that in mind and pay close attention to these areas and who is gaining leverage. Now, the resistance level is way up here, and that's 1681. And that point needs to be broken through by the bulls to continue this momentum, pulling further away from the 50-day moving average to reach newer highs, new resistance levels, and work its way up deeper into bullish territory. So I do want every single investor and viewer to be aware of that. I think that's probably one of the most important points right now in the chart for this to continue. 1681 needs to be broken through, turn into a support, and pulled away from to the upward direction. Now, if you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post, and let's jump right into it. The ticker symbol I mentioned this morning, as well as the ticker symbol you won't want to miss and you definitely want to have on your watch list moving forward. So the ticker symbol I have to share with you guys today is one that I've talked about before last week. I've talked about it this weekend, and I talked about it even this week, guys. And since I mentioned it, it's already up 8% plus from today's lows all the way to today's highs. But it's not just about that 8% movement. If not, how is it going to continue to react moving forward for those that are long and for those that are planning to short-term trade this or swing trade this, right? You have to make a rational decision as an investor. I'm just here to enlighten you guys. It's not financial advice, but we're going to talk more about that stock in just a moment. So let me share with you guys today's realistic expectations over at the Discord. And if this is something that interests you, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description. And wherever the markets are going, we're always looking for opportunities every single day, to the point that I don't recycle stocks, but I was watching one of yesterday's home runs that gave us 40% plus ARPO, and it gave another 10 to 15% real quick within just minutes today, jumping all the way up to 20% at some of its highs. It was really interesting. I didn't trade it because, like I said, I don't recycle stocks, but it was interesting because when I trade a stock, I still keep it on my watch list because you never know, but I didn't catch it on time. But really great movement from ARPO once again today. So what did we talk about today in the morning? So there wasn't a lot of volume today, and I was a little bit concerned about the market overall for a trading day, right? More of like, just holding through or buying positions that you already own. I wasn't looking at it as a great trading day, but I did see an opportunity, and that was MITO, okay? It had built momentum. Volume needed to go up for it to go to newer highs or get right back to where it was because it was currently pulling back. But I was going to watch inflow versus outflow very closely. Now, some investors actually took advantage of this and made 5% to 10%. They posted over at the profit section, and a lot of investors were watching this one today. So it was very great. Turned out to be a regular day, almost a great day, right? But it was all about making that realistic expectation turn into profit. So it was sitting at 153 when I mentioned it, and we can see that here, and that is where I started talking about it. Pulled back a little bit to 149 and hit a high here right at the bell of 15% plus, and even at the lows from right here gave 10 to 15% on that jump. So that was pretty quick. That was within 5 minutes. Now, the second opportunity was within this pullback and weakness, and from that point to the highest point, it gave 5 to 10%. So we're always looking for home runs, and we're always looking for opportunities, and this was as realistic as it could get when it comes to the expectations of what we look for daily, guys. I'm always looking for 5 to 10% on a regular day, 10 to 20% on a great day, and 20% plus is a home run. Yesterday, we hit 2 home runs, 40% plus, and today we had enough room to make 10 to 15% or 5 to 10%. So for me, that's phenomenal. And if that's something that interests you and you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to. And we look forward to having you join us. The link to the Discord is down below. So what stock do you want to add to your watch list? Well, that stock is Clover Health, guys. I talked about it yesterday. I'm talking about it again today. So yesterday, it got destroyed after earnings. It got destroyed after, obviously, the Hindenburg research information. And from yesterday's lows to today, it hit a high of about 8 to 10%. And from today's lows, within just a few minutes of starting the day, it hit a low here of 660 again and shot up to a high here of 720. So if you do the math, that right there alone is another 8 to 10% jump, regardless if you caught it yesterday or today in the morning. This is what it was all about, trying to catch it in the weakness and swing trade it. For me, 5 to 10% is a regular day. Now, for those that are long, this is a great opportunity to be watching this one for consolidation or even further weakness to keep your average cross low. And for those that are looking for a swing trade opportunity that can jump up anywhere from 10 to 30% like it's done before, this is a great time to watch this one and ease your way into it. Do your research, do your due diligence, look at the chart indicators to get a feel of what's going on, guys. This is not financial advice. I'm just here to enlighten you guys on opportunities that I look for weekly and daily. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.